ህፃኖኜ ምንም አይነት ከትምህርት ውጪ ምንም አይነት ነገር እንድሰራ አይፈቀድልኝም ነበር። ኦኬ because አያቶቼ they didn't think it was necessary, especially my grandma. She didn't think it was necessary. The only thing that she wanted me to do እንዳደርግ የምትፈልገው የነበረው ነገር ትምህርት ቤት ሄጄ ራሴን እንድችል ነው። ኦኬ so everything else እሱ ካልሆነ it was a distraction. ከትምህርቷ ያዘናጋታል ብላ ነበር የምታስበው። The first thing that I think about when I think about this is ካራቴ መማር በጣም ፈልጌ when I was 3ኛ ክፍል እያለሁኝ ከዛ አያቴ ወንድ አያቴ አባባ እሺ በቃ ላስመዝግባት ብሎ ሊያስመዘግበኝ ሲል ማለት ነው ለእማ ሲነግራት እማዬ ምን አለች? ኖ ኖ ኖ ኖ ሀያ ሀያ እያለች ቀይን ነው የምትጨርሰው። ደግሞ ከትምህርት ቤት መጥታ ማጥናት ሲኖርባት እዛ ነው የምትሄደው። you know that was the mentality that she had, which I know that you know ከትምህርት ዲስትራክት እንዳልሆን ብላ ነው። ግን I regret that, you know. I wish that I did those things. And the other thing that I wanted to do was learn music. በጣም የሆነ መጫወቻ ይሄ music መጫወቻ መማር ፈልግ ነበር, but I didn't get a chance to do that. And as I grew up, one thing I noticed is that I've been spending my money and my time doing those things that I didn't get a chance to do as a kid, whether it's because my parents couldn't afford it or they didn't think it was necessary. And my most recent chronicle is learning the guitar. So I signed up for a class, and as you can see, I got a guitar, and for my first class, I learned how to do 3 notes, and I'm very excited about it, and I'm gonna show you that, okay? And one day, I'm gonna be able to play any song that I want, but today, this is all I know how to do, so I'll show you guys. That's it.